Hi friends, so now you can hear me, and welcome to the show. Today we're going to be making chicken noodle soup, in so much that we are making a soup with noodles and chicken in it. Other than that, we're going to play around with some stuff, have a little bit of fun, and you may be asking yourself why I have my beard shaved like a Mennonite. Well, I lost power for a couple days, and sometimes when you go without electricity, things just happen. We're going to start out with chopping carrots, celery, onions, pretty much everything you do for regular chicken noodle soup. You're also going to want to have some chicken on hand. If you don't have any cooked chicken, fresh or frozen, and then just cook it off, should be fine. So I'm going to fast forward you through that because I forgot to turn on my mic because I'm really smart and forgot to turn it on. Don't worry though, this time there's not going to be any liabilities. Now we're all cut up. Once your onions start to get translucent, we are going to start to spice things up, literally. I'm going ahead with serranos because I like the flavor profile, but just get the hottest pepper that you can tolerate, because science, peppers are good for your immune system. Be careful around your eyes. Next, we'll bang out some ginger real quick. As you can see, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be chopped up. You should start seeing some color on your onions and maybe even some on your celery by this time. So now we are adding the serranos and the ginger. We're going to let that go for just a minute or two. Don't stand with your face completely over this because the science stuff makes the spicy bits turn into gas and get in your eyes. After about a minute or two, our peppers, our ginger, our onions, and our celery have all gotten to know each other pretty well, so it's time to add in the chicken stock. We're just going to do the whole 32 ounces. Now that's in, we'll crank the heat up to medium. and we will start working on our next step. This chicken breast. As you can see, there's nothing spectacular about this chicken breast. It simply is. We're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces and then throw it in the pot. And in we go. Stir, stir, stir. So now comes the fun part. We wait for half an hour while all the flavors mix together, do their thing, and the stock reduces. Or so you thought. What we're going to do while that's boiling away is we're going to take about a teaspoon of cornstarch. Boom. We're going to take some miso if you have it. If not, don't worry about it. We can deal with that later. But I've got some because I went to a fancy store. And boom, teaspoon of miso. Nom nom. See that? That is ramen. We're going to open this guy up. Take out that sweet, sweet flavor packet. And in it goes. Son of a bitch. And in it goes. All those crystals. Mixing with that miso. Mixing with that cornstarch. And we're going to blend it all up. And then we're going to scoop it right into our soup. About a little bit of water just to make sure it blends. That right there is concentrated goodness. And in it goes. Stir it up. Now all those flavors are going to just start coming together real nice. But we're still not done yet. Oh no. No, 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 no. So after we've got our soft-boiled egg ready, we are going to be sitting around 20 minutes in to our boiling chicken deliciousness. If you want to give it a taste and see how the flavors are coming along, you're welcome to. But if not, we're going to start boiling our water for ramen noodles. And as exciting as that is, we're going to use some YouTube magic just for sake of convenience. Because I don't want you watching water boil. That's dumb. Now we've got our water boiling. We're going to add in our ramen for the requisite 3 minutes. But also we're going to add a vine-ripened tomato cut in quarters. You know what, that guy looked a little bit small. Let's add another one. Now that our 3 minutes are up, we're going to strain out the ramen and the tomatoes. And then this is going to go directly right into our bowl. Yep. So, finally, we're going to put it all together. First, we'll strain out some liquid from the soup. So there's just some rising up over the edge. Then we'll pull all of our delicious goodies out, place them on top. Add those carrots that we had set aside. And finally, our soft-boiled egg. just give it a good mix, and that's all there is to it. You got a nice bowl of spice and warmth and deliciousness that'll help you get over any cold, no matter how freezing it is. Okay, bye.